Milwaukee introduces the industry's first universal OSHA compliance solution that doesn't require the use of a vacuum. Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap Drilling Shroud. The dust trap universally fits all SDS Plus rotary hammers and drill bits up to 8 inches in length. This accessory is an objective data compliance solution without a dust extractor and is OSHA Table 1 compliant when used with a dust extractor. A clear sleeve design provides visibility when you're lining up the hole before drilling and while drilling to control depth. Once attached to the front of the rotary hammer, it keeps dust contained throughout the drilling process. Afterwards, the sleeve can be emptied and easily collapsed and locked for storage. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap Drilling Shroud is a universal OSHA compliance solution that adapts to your daily demands on the job site.
There's no sugarcoating it. Moving sheets of plywood is a pain. They're big, heavy, and hard to control, especially if you're working alone. Rockler has a solution like no other, the Material Mate Shop Cart. It features an extendable top that can be secured horizontally for easy loading and unloading, or positioned vertically for easy transport, even through standard doors as narrow as 30 inches. Rotating catch arms hold the plywood panel during transport, then flip out of the way so the panel can be centered during loading and unloading. Large urethane casters allow easy rolling on uneven surfaces, and the two front rotating casters lock for stability. The strong steel tube frame can be set to the height that fits your shop's needs, enabling you, for example, to easily wheel material close to your table saw. What's more, you can secure a top, like the Rockler T-Track tabletop, and a shelf or shop-made storage cabinet to the frame so it can do double duty as a work table while retaining the functionality of the panel cart. So, if you're looking for an easy way to move plywood that also provides valuable workspace, check out Rockler's Material Mate Cart. Just visit your local Rockler store or go to rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.
At Spring Tools, we produce hammerless impact tools designed for the professional tool user.
Let's take a closer look at how the Paint Pro Pack makes the painter's job easier.
When a painter is prepping a paint job, he or she almost always finds nails or brads and trim work and around doors and windows that didn't properly set. Old school painters had to carry a hammer nail set, then find all the shiners and set them before moving on. The pin-size Spring Tool nail set can easily fit into the painter's whites. Our tool never damages the wood or trim and makes the painter's job easier, faster, and is a higher quality solution.
The other Spring tool that is in your Paint Pro Pack is the Universal Door Pin Removal Tool. This tool removes any door pin with a few simple snaps and never damages the molding or trim around the door frame. You can use the other end of the tool to replace the door pin and gently tap it back into place. These two remarkable tools are a must-have for every painter or finished carpenter. All Spring tools are proudly made, packaged, and distributed in the USA and are guaranteed for life.
No plumber can live without a Basin wrench in their toolbox. Now, Ridgid is proud to introduce the next generation of this iconic tool. The innovative new Ridgid telescoping Basin wrench puts every job within easy reach. No more crazy contortions to see a faucet fitting or a retaining nut, or stumbling and fumbling to see what you're doing. The Ridgid Model 2017 is the first Basin wrench to provide you with light exactly where you need it, thanks to its integrated water-resistant LED light. The light also has an automatic shutoff timer to conserve the batteries when not in use. The 180-degree pivoting T-handle makes positioning easier in tight spaces. The removable T-handle can be detached to expose a standard 3/8-inch square drive connection, which lets you use your ratchet or breaker bar for additional leverage and maximum torque on those hard-to-loosen nuts. The ergonomic textured handle increases leverage and improves grip compared to the standard square metal you're used to gripping. Our new body design and spring-loaded push buttons enable effortless telescoping from 10 to 17 inches. And the wrench's improved jaw spring significantly extends the life of your tool. Meet the latest rigid wrench you won't be able to live without, the new Model 2017 Rigid Telescoping Basin Wrench. Large diameter pipe can be difficult to grip, making some installations and service jobs a challenge for one person. Now there's a solution, the rigid strap lock pipe handle. It serves as an extra set of hands on the job, giving you a rock-solid grip on plastic pipe from 3 to 8 inches, even in cold and wet conditions. The strap lock not only adds confidence to a job, it's also versatile. The strap quickly adjusts to accommodate different pipe sizes. It can be applied to pipe as well as fittings. And, when the job is especially complex, you can use more than one to pull pipes together. Gluing large diameter pipe requires speed and leverage to ensure the joint doesn't set in the wrong position. There are no do-overs. The rigid strap lock pipe handle gives you a huge advantage in leverage, significantly extending the time you have before a joint sets up, helping prevent expensive rework on large diameter installations.
Hello, I'm Russ Cowan with Smith's Knife Sharpening Products. Today I want to talk to you about the manual handheld fixed angle knife sharpener. As you can see, we have several different models. These things are so easy to use, it just takes a matter of a few minutes to sharpen your knife. They all have a V-shaped sharpening head, and they all have a scissor sharpener built into the handle of the sharpener. They're very easy to use. They work well on kitchen knives. You can use them on a hunting knife. You can use them on a pocket knife. Let me show you just how easy it is to sharpen a knife with one of these sharpeners. The main features of the handheld fixed angle knife sharpeners are the V-shaped knife sharpening slot in the head of the sharpener and the ceramic rod in the handle, which is used to sharpen both right and left-handed scissors. As I said, let me show you how easy it is to sharpen a knife with this product. This product works excellent on straight edge blades. Straight edge meaning there's no serrations. It's a flat grind on both sides of the blades. And you'll also hear me refer to starting at the heel of the blade. When I say the heel of the blade, I'm referring to this area here and going from the heel to the tip of the blade. So you want to turn the cutting edge of the blade up and let it hang over the edge of your countertop or table or whatever flat sturdy surface you're on, no more than about 1 inch. The reason you're letting it hang over the edge of the table is because when you sharpen, you want to sharpen all the way out to the tip of the blade. This allows the product to go all the way off the tip. You want to insert the cutting edge of the blade into the bottom of the V, starting at the heel of the blade, like so. Using light pressure, pull the sharpener over the cutting edge and continue your motion all the way off the tip of the blade. Again, heel to the tip.
Oh no! We've all heard this sound and we all know what it means. Sticking our hands where they don't belong and costly damage to utensils or flatware. Introducing the Disposal Genie, the smart, easy, and sanitary way to protect yourself, your family, and your valuables. The Disposal Genie's unique patented design allows liquids and foods to pass through freely, but items that shouldn't go down the drain can't and won't. The Disposal Genie even doubles as a handy food scraper. With the Disposal Genie, you never have to worry about losing anything in your disposal again.
I am David Scheinkoff, TV host and licensed general contractor. I have been on a lot of job sites in my career. And one thing I know is although cleanup is something no one likes to do, it's something that always has to be done. I'm here to show you how Rigid just made that cleanup process easier with new 18-volt job site blower. The tool blows away the competition. It has the highest air output in its class with 280 cubic feet per minute, and with a speed of 100 miles per hour, this thing has no problem clearing your job site debris. The variable speed trigger allows me to control the airflow, so depending on what I'm cleaning, I can use as much or as little as I need. Another thing I love about this blower is its compact size and lightweight arm. This makes it really easy to get into tight spaces and carry extended periods without wearing out my arm. At the end of the day, I'm not leaving until the job site's clean. And with a Rigid high-capacity battery, you get extended time. So I'm not left waiting around for extra batteries to charge, which is a huge time saver. Finally, the 18-volt job site blower is backed by Rigid's lifetime service agreement. So with registration, you receive free parts and free service for life. Like all Rigid tools, the 18-volt job site blower is available at Home Depot. You receive free parts and free service for life. Like all Rigid tools, the 18-volt job site blower is available at Home Depot.